Hi all. Today's topic is which cement is best for house construction. There are different types of cement available in the market, but which type of cement you should prefer? After watching this video, you will get an idea about which cement should choose for your house construction. Coming to the introduction, cement. Cement is a binding material manufactured through a closely controlled chemical combination of calcium, silicon, aluminum, iron, and other ingredients. Common materials used to manufacture cement include limestone, shell, and chalk, combined with slate, clay, blast furnace slag, silica sand, and iron ore. Types of cement. There are 13 different types of cement available in market. They are ordinary Portland cement, Portland pozzolana cement, rapid hardening cement, quick setting cement, low heat cement, sulfate resisting cement, blast furnace cement, blast furnace slag cement, high alumina cement, white cement, colored cement, air entraining cement, expansive cement, hydrographic cement, out of which the most popular cement types are OPC and PPC. OPC is simply ordinary Portland cement and PPC is Portland pozzolana cement. Okay, OPC. OPC is the most widely and commonly used cement in the world. This type of cement is manufactured by mixing limestone and other raw materials, which consist of argillaceous, calcareous, and gypsum. PPC. PPC cement stands for Portland pozzolana cement. It is an alternative to OPC because in this type of cement 20 to 30% of OPC is replaced by pozzolanic materials like fly ash. Let us compare OPC and PPC. In OPC, the initial strength is higher than PPC. That is, the structure will gain early strength. But in PPC, the initial strength is lower than OPC. It is less durable in aggressive weather. It is more durable in aggressive weather. OPC generate more heat of hydration. It generates less heat of hydration. The initial setting time is 30 minutes and it is same in PPC also, that is 30 minutes. But the final setting time is 300 minutes. In PPC, the final setting time is 600 minutes. Costlier than PPC, cheaper than OPC. The PPC is cheaper because it contains pozzolanic materials like fly ash. Okay. Available in different grades like 33, 43, 53. Not available in different grades. Early removal of formwork is possible because the structure will gain early strength, so formwork can be removed earlier. But in case of PPC, it is not possible. Curing period minimum 7 days. Curing period for PPC is minimum 10 days. So coming to the conclusion, which one is best, OPC or PPC? First of all, both of the cement are good, but I will recommend OPC for RCC works like slab, footing, beams and column. Okay, OPC can be, but in case of PPC is recommended for masonry works, plaster works, tiling works and waterproofing. This is because the OPC will gain early strength, but PPC requires more curing period. But what will happen if in market if OPC is not present in market, you can use PPC, but the curing period should be extended to 10 days. That is the only drawback, but both are good and PPC is less costlier than OPC. Okay. Thank you guys. If you like my video, please share and subscribe and press the bell icon